In the New Testament, Talitha koum, or Talitha kumi, is an Aramaic phrase, meaning little girl, I say to you, arise, that Jesus used to raise Jairus' daughter from the dead, as recorded in Mark 5 verse 41. Here's a more detailed explanation. The story of Jesus raising Jairus' daughter from the dead is found in Mark 5 verses 21 to 43, Matthew 9 verses 18 to 26, and Luke 8 verses 40 to 56. Talitha koum, or Talitha kumi, is an Aramaic phrase that Jesus used to command the girl to get up. The phrase translates to little girl, I say to you, arise, or little girl, get up. Mark, the author of the Gospel, specifically includes the Aramaic words and their translation, emphasizing the authenticity and power of Jesus' words. Some scholars believe that Mark included the literal Aramaic to prove that Jesus uses mere words, not a magical spell.